Very garage. I was almost burned down last night.
Yes.
Because they pulled the petrol tanks over and the petrol come on me. The police take so long to come out. We were sitting an hour calling for the police while they still trying to open the shops and the garage stuff there. And then obviously after half an hour they got the shops open. They got away with it still. They emptied the shop like this. And then they poured the petrol things over and it got on me also. And I had to run because when they light up there it was, but luckily then the Ramantro comes with the tear gas and they vanish. And then I got home, I'm still smelling like I'm so heartbroken. Then I heard this. And I mean, it's not only this, there's Clock Tower also. They also target that one also. It's the first time things like this happen in our community. We're 40 years here. I'm working for the community also as a women's support group. I'm trying to help our community also about this. It's sad. It's very sad.
My name is Muhammad Umar. I stay in Woodland. I got a tuck shop here in Woodland. Last night was very scared for us. I'm a father of a child for 7 months. But the people, they was making problems for the area. The brake shock is burning the tires. So I think it is the police who not doing enough. They coming and moving and going back, and we have no chance if we lose our life, our economic, whatever we started, to get back. We are refugees in South Africa for a long time. I was in Khayelitsha 2010 June. I got a problem like this. I ran away. I think this place was better enough for me to stay alive and get enough alive to stay. I moved from Somalia for the problem and the stories about killing and running. So when we get here, we got the same story. The problem is the government. They're making the people get angry and they're not giving, reacting or answer what they want. They must solve what they want and giving them what they want, because they have been given for other places and people saw on the TV what have happened before. I think in the community they need to be taught. Everything have a solution. Fighting have no solution. We have got experience. I'm born in fighting area. No one can win for fighting. The government, they must send people of talk, not people of fight.